Hi there, it's Shauna of the Shauna Method, and here is an annual organizing habit that will not only keep your space organized, but should also bring you some joy. And that is, I suggest you sort your memorabilia maybe once a year. I always suggest that every family member be given a memorabilia or a keepsake container. This can be a large plastic tote. It can be a tote that rolls under the bed. And the idea is that it's convenient enough that when items come in, we can fairly easily put them into our memorabilia container. Of course, if you're 80 years old, you might have a couple. But what we don't want is to have 25 boxes of memorabilia that is stacked one box on top of another in a remote location. And why do we not want that? That is not desirable, because if it is difficult to reach or access, we will never look at it. And the whole point of keeping memorabilia is so that we can see it, touch it, interact with it, and experience good feelings as a result of having done so. We don't want to be just warehouses for things. If we're keeping things for sentimental value, we want to periodically review them and experience the sort of lift of those sentiments. You can pick any day you'd like to do this, maybe a couple of days. I know some people who use the anniversary of a loved one's birth or even death. You could pick your birthday. You can pick a special day on the calendar that has emotional significance. And the idea is that you pull out your couple of boxes, you enjoy going through your memories and thinking about what you still want to keep. In many cases, something we kept a long time ago loses its emotional power as the years go by, and we find that it just doesn't stimulate the kind of emotions that we thought it would. And that's okay, because we remove some of those lesser important items, which free space in our box for maybe some new things that are coming in that do evoke a strong feeling in us. This is something like curating. A museum doesn't keep every single thing that is given to the museum. It keeps the ones that they think people will enjoy the most. And that's what I want your memorabilia to do for you. You should be enjoying them. So pick a day, maybe two, on your calendar when you're just going to set aside time to review what you've kept, to enjoy the memories, and cull away anything that's no longer stirring you in a really happy, positive way. This is a fun organizing habit. And by the way, if you have family members who haven't seen it, they might enjoy it too. So don't skip this annual habit to help you get and stay organized.